Hello students, we are going to perform our first experiment, that is study of osmosis by potato osmometer. For the experiment, the ingredients that we will require are sucrose powder, a beaker full of water, potato tuber, petri dish, a dissecting tray and dissection box. Now instead of scalpel, we are going to use a peeler and a knife so that we can peel the potato and cut it into a cavity very quickly. We will require pins to mark the level of the solution. So now first we will peel the potato. After we peel this potato, we are going to make a cavity inside it. So, as you can see, I have peeled the potato. Now let us make a cavity inside it. For that we will use a knife. First, we will cut the base of the potato a little bit so that we can place it evenly. After that, we will make a cavity inside this potato. While using the knife, make sure that you won't hurt yourself. So, as you can see, we have made a cavity inside the potato. Now, what we are going to do is, we will fill this petri dish with water. As you can see, we are filling the petri dish with water. After that, we are going to place this potato inside in this way. Now what we need to do is, we have prepared a sucrose solution here. We have taken water, 100 ml water and 20 grams of sucrose powder or glucose powder, and we have prepared a sucrose solution, and that we are going to put it in the cavity of the potato, or we will fill the cavity of potato with this sucrose solution. And now, after this, we will mark the level of the solution with a pin. So now what we are going to do is to wait for 2 to 3 hours so that we can see the process of osmosis. After 2 to 3 hours, as you can see, the level of the solution which was inside the cavity, it has risen up. Now we will mark the level, the risen level of the solution with another pin in this way. So students, what did you observe over here? did you see the level of the solution which was inside the cavity that has risen up? Now, why did this happen? So students, what happened here was the process of osmosis took place, and that is why the level of the solution, sucrose solution, which was inside the cavity of the potato has risen up. Now, what is osmosis? From this experiment, you can say that the process in which the solvent moves across a semi-permeable membrane from its higher concentration to its lower concentration. Now here, in the petri dish, we filled the water. In this petri dish, the concentration of water was high as compared to the concentration of water inside the cavity of the potato, inside the solution. The level or the concentration was low. As I said that the osmosis process, the water, it moves across the semi-permeable membrane from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. So here also water has moved from the higher concentration from the petri dish to the cavity of the potato through the semi-permeable membrane. In this case, the semi-permeable membrane was potato. The potato acted as the semi-permeable membrane over here. Through this semi-permeable membrane, the water from the petri dish has moved across in the cavity of the potato inside the solution, and therefore the level of the solution has risen up. This experiment, endoosmosis, has taken place. In endoosmosis, the solvent, that is water over here, it moves from the outer medium to the inner medium, because here outside the concentration of water was higher as compared to the inner medium. So the water has moved across this potato or the semi-permeable membrane to the inner medium. Then there is another type of osmosis process, that is exoosmosis. In that process, the water moves from the inner medium across the semi-permeable membrane to the outer medium. For example, in summer season when we make pickles, at that time when we cut the slices of mango, those slices hold a lot of water inside them, and that water can spoil those slices of mango. So this shouldn't happen. For that we add salt in it, and after a few hours, what do we see? We see the water gets collected in the container. That happens because of the exoosmosis process. Now, in this experiment, we have observed that the level of sugar solution has increased, and this happened because of the osmosis process which has occurred. And the conclusion for this experiment will be the sugar solution which is inside the cavity of the potato osmometer, that sugar solution has, the level of the sugar solution has increased, and here that level increased because of the movement of water from the petri dish to the solution which was inside the cavity of the potato. And this process is the endoosmosis process. The water moved from the outer medium to the inner medium through the semi-permeable membrane, and here in this experiment the semi-permeable membrane was the potato that we have